is make 4 different variables: value A, value B, value C, and the math type. First, value A and value B is the one we are going to put together to get value C. Value A, we want to type in what we want, so we need to use the input, and here we can just write ourselves a message right here. And if we want to use decimal numbers, we have to use the float, just set it before the input. And remember this. Value B is the same as value A, so we can just copy this. And value C, we don't really know value C yet, so we can just set it to 0, since we are going to calculate that. And math type, we're going to choose either add, divide, multiply, or divide. So we can just set it, and we also need to type it in ourselves, so we can just make an input, write math type here. So when we remember this, remember to write everything exactly as I do, or it won't work. So when we go here, right there, the first number, second number, and math type, press, and nothing happens here. That's because we have not yet calculated it. So we need to make, if for example we want to add the numbers together, we can say if math type is the same as adding, then this will happen. And it's important that you use two of these, and also these small things before and after, or it won't work. And here we can just say value C is now value A plus value B. So when we run it, we get 3 plus 4, and here, and nothing happens. That is because we have not printed out, we have not told the program to tell us what value C is. So we have to go here, make a new one, print value C. So it's at 3, 4, and adding, we get 7. But what do you do if we want to divide something? If you want to divide, nothing happens now. So what you're going to do, can just copy this and change here to the divide sign and divide here 3 and divide that by 4. We have to type in divide. You get 0.75. And there you go. And you can do the exact same thing. Copy this. And just take multiply here. And then take multiply here. And retract here. And if you, for example, want to multiply, we can do that. And there we go. So that was the tutorial, guys. I am going to add more tutorials and build upon this program in later videos, so subscribe and like so you get it up when I post those videos, and bye.